this mirror glass, I'm just going to twist the whole assembly this way a little bit and just use, it's always a good idea to use some tape to put over the glass just in case you crack it, or if it's already cracked, just so none of the glass pieces end up in your hands or hurting you physically. And I'm just going to push on the bottom of the glass. I want to access at this top corner. I'm going to get in there with a straight blade screwdriver and a pick, and I'm going to release one of the tabs. It's kind of hard to see. Nope. Basically, you want to get the pick in between here and here and try to release that tab there, and then other ones will pop out easier and you can pull it straight off. Now I'll take the new mirror. I'm going to try to angle this a little bit, try to get the bottom tabs lined up first. And then taking a rag, you can just push and try to get the top tabs in and lock it in place.